Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video we will show a tutorial of SolidWorks called how to use smart fasteners from SolidWorks toolbox. So follow me. In this, for example, I have this shaft. In this shaft I need a bearing and an hexagon bolt and a washer. So from where I will find this component? It's very simple and easy. So I will go to design library. I will find here toolbox, so I click on it, and I activate it, add in now. So the toolbox is open now. I found many folders. Those folders are the standard used in the whole world. For example, the American inch standard from the American National Standard Institute, the Australian standard, the Canadian standard, the British standard, the ISO standard, etc. I'll find a brand standard like ASKF for bearings and like Triarch for circlips. So after choosing your bearings or your circlips, you just go to the folder you need or to the standard you are using. For example, I am using ASKF bearings, so I click in the ASKF bearings. I will choose the type of bearings I will use, ball bearings or roller bearings. For this example, I will use ball bearings, and there are three types. I will use, for example, the radial ball bearings. So how to use it? It's very simple. Just drag it on the design space like that. Wait few seconds, and the property manager appears in the design. So the property manager appears here. So you need to choose the parameters of this bearing, like the size, the outer diameter, the thickness, etc. For example, I will use the type of bearings 603. For this type, the inner diameter is 17. It is the inner diameter, the outer diameter of my shaft. So you must have the ASKF catalog to define the type of bearing that we use. You find all the types of ASKF bearings. So I will choose 603 from here. So 630. So 603, and just I click OK. It asks you if you need to add another component, so I cancel it. After adding that bearing, you will use it like you will use it here. It's 17 here too. So it will be used like a simple part. Let's make some it from here. So let's make it consistent, and let's make a distance from here to here. For example, 25, and let flip dimension. Okay. After that, I need to add an hexagonal bolt and a washer. It's from the same way, but I will change the standard here. For example, I will use ISO standard I develop this folder, then I will use the bolts and screws folder. For example, I will use hex bolt. There are two types. For example, I will use this type. I drag it, then I choose the diameter. For example, it is here M16, so I don't find the diameter I need, so I need to change the type. For example, I will use this type. So here I don't find also the type I need. It's not a problem. I will change the types until I find the diameter I need. So I find it's M8 for my example. I choose the diameter, the size, the length too. For example, it is 40, the thread length, etc. I click OK. So I need only one. Let's make some edges, concentric from here and coincident for this face and this face, for example. So this tutorial only show you how to use or how to open these smart fasteners. So it's okay for this tutorial. I hope that you like the video. So for more videos from SolidWorks, please follow me and like this video and post a comment for what you need, or for what you need tutorials for SolidWorks. And thank you.